see the bones decay. I don't know what else there is to say. I'm doing my best not to run away. Sitting throwing rocks across the pavement, hoping it'll cave in and swallow me whole. Wondering how the world keeps on spinning, kinda scared of living when it unfolds. Hard to see the light when everything is dying, waiting for the clear. Thankful I'm alive, but terrified of dying. But hey, I'm still here. Is it that sometimes I like it when I lose control? There's something in it that's so beautiful. Listen, I can see the light, but I can also see the bones decay. I don't know what else there is to say. I'm doing my best not to run away. she got the good vibes when seasons change, but we're the same. Even if I lost all my money, the zero runs deep, honey. And I don't need to speak a single word, 'cause you got me holding, holding. Even if my jokes aren't funny, my tongue tied up on it. And I don't need to speak a single word, 'cause you got me holding, holding.
Oh, I just realised that I haven't been talking properly on YouTube. Oh, actually, could you even hear me on YouTube? I realised, yeah, my microphone was muted. Lol. Morning everyone on YouTube. I just realised my mic was muted. So I've been talking this whole time. So, morning to everyone on YouTube. We've been on here for like 30 minutes. But people, actually 10-15 minutes, but people be watching me in mute. Appreciate you watching in mute. And literally, when I finish trading, I just literally wait for the next day to trade. That is life. Right, let's give this position another go. GU dropping. Just want to wait for this candle 3 more minutes. Sweating in this room. It is so hot. I'll turn the aircon down and so I mean the heating down. Right, be right back. Let me just turn the heating down. Right, let's review some people's charts and stuff and the conversations. Keeps us busy here. Right, there was a lot of conversations going on yesterday. It's as far back as it goes. So let's have a look at this. There's gold buys, simple structures. Gaps need to be filled. 12 billy coming from. Oh damn it! Is that what happens if I read it? It just kind of takes away everything. Takes the motion as sellers. Understanding price structures like actions, demand scales, you're amazing because you're trying 8%. Depend changing your lows. Ooh, someone speaking facts. Speaking facts. Lost on Figgy, and I've just had another trade, and it looks like another loss at this rate. And if that's the case, then I'm done. Definitely done for today. Eating shit this week. That's 3 trades loss. Yeah, stop loss done. I am done. That is not a good trading day for me. Yeah, I think the biggest trade I missed today was just DAX at 8:10. That was it. And then trying to get a trade there twice was just, I mean, actually, to be fair, the first try was good, second try not so much. So I'm just going to update my journal. Although it's been a bad losing day, I feel pretty good. It's got a weird statement to say. What day is it today? 27. Holy shit, that risk was... The copy trade fucked the risk here. What the fuck? I messed with the settings yesterday. Oh shit. Just realised I did an extra point. Wow, it's not too bad. It's an extra 0.5R, which is not good, but that's fine. It's what it is. Oh, Dax dropped through. Guess that resistance there held through. It must be something else. I need to update this chart. I'm missing some key levels here. So let's get rid of this. So let's get rid of this rectangle. That support. So this was a good resistance. There was another one here. I guess that one there was because of the structure here. That's fair enough. Sounds like a game. Cool, I'm just resetting all of the Social Trader 2 copiers. To map them now. It's frustrating how DAX doesn't copy everything. Like the DAX is not the same configurator for every pair. Sometimes it's DE, sometimes it's DE cash. I wonder why that is. Why can't they just all name it DAX? Make life a lot easier, hey? So we're done for today, but what we're going to do is we'll just go through the chat for the rest of the what we got another 20 minutes rest of the session. I'm also going to update my journal whilst I'm sitting here. Oh, I don't need to do that. That's the same. That's also the same. To map this one. Oh, GU went in the end. Haha. Just checking now. I'm just rechecking all of my fucking. No, the social traders to make sure it's right. Cool. Done. If it breaks Tokyo high, it can come up all the way to that next resistance, which I was looking at. Which will be good. What did DAX do in the end? No, DAX just dropped. Okay, so I guess what we can do is we can just go through Telegram for a little bit and just read and comment. This gives us something to do. We're pretty much... Yeah, let's have a look at, we'll go for 8 PM first. Yeah, they've removed it, but it is what it is. It doesn't really matter about the MT5 thing. I don't really think that's a problem. Let's have a look at this one, a loss on GU. This trade makes sense though. Trade makes sense though. Just for the process. Pattern A by the looks of it. We've got Andrew here. He had a DAX long, which he bought on that zone there. Yeah, that's the honestly that's the same trade idea I had, but didn't take because of 8 AM, and it just dropped like way too fast for me. So that's why I kind of avoided that one. And then obviously you re-entered and you tried again, and then that was beautiful. So that was good because you were willing to try twice. I mean, there's no real feedback on that. I think you're doing pretty alright. Just got to be consistent and sharp every day. That's the only thing. That's it. Once you're consistent and sharp every day, that's it. You know, you already know what you're doing. You've been learning from me for quite a while now, and making you look profitable. And even if you, and most of the things make sense, it's just about confidence, consistency, and discipline. And that's when you'll start pushing it. And I'm on the same journey right now because I'm on the funded stuff, which has humbled me back down to like the beginning. Well, not really beginning because I'm starting from experience, but a different position. So that's why these live tradings are here to get you guys really committed. And UA, you know, same thing. Good job. I think waking up in the morning is helping. You're earlier and you're allowed to commit to the positions. You looked at the BRE, the first one come through, push drop, gave you the confirmation, retested. The only thing is the zone, you could bring that a tiny bit lower because the left hand side there, you see where that resistance is. You want that zone touching that, and number one, you probably would have got a better entry, and number two would have given you a better idea. And one other thing is there is a trend line there as well, so that could have helped with the overall consensus. The trend line, if you can see from the bottom to the bottom to the bottom, if I actually draw it here, you can probably see, so something like that. That was yeah, that's fair enough. Yeah. The only feedback I have on this actually, Andrew, is if I may, is the TP probably should have been the previous high. that would have been a very good secured profit. And then TP2 to the way you've got there, because in that you would have locked in profits regardless there. Yeah, shoulda, woulda, coulda, right? It was one of those things you only really know once you've reviewed. Yeah. Also good. Yeah. That's fair enough then. I mean, I think that, like I said, is the trade is perfect. It's just is what it is. But just a review, we can always be better. That's the hard thing about trading, because we always can get a better entry. You can get a better trade. You can always do better things. Yeah. Correct. Yeah. You only know now, and then tomorrow you're gonna do that, right? So, and then that's the case. So that's the APM review. Good job. The signals today. So this morning straight away I wanted buys on DAX. I missed the 1031, and then we looked at GU, was looking good. We got both positions in, and there was so GU was like a half position for me because it was an initial tryout. And DAX was a full position. DAX ended up just hit stop loss straight away, and then I tried again with DAX, and then that also hit stop loss. So -3. It was actually supposed to be -2.5R today, but because of the risk settings on my social trader, well, actually on that account it is -2.5R, so it's -2.5R, and then one of the other accounts is actually -3.5R, which is an extra R, but do you know what, it's fine, I can afford it. It's just a mistake on the settings. I was messing around with the settings last night, and exactly that has happened. So I mean, that's the day. GU looks like it's going to break out and push up to here, so ironically, it sounds really weird, but I feel pretty good today, even though it was a losing day. I think it's because I came in today trading with a good mindset and accepted loss. And there was something I watched yesterday, is basically we can control our losses in trading. That's the only thing we can control. We can't control how much we make, because you don't know how much the market's going to give you. So every single day you need to predetermine your loss and focus on that, and make sure you can manage that accordingly. So yeah, that's a good analogy to take away, and focus on your trading. So then let's go on to the main chat. Excuse me, I just got coffee. I'm not drinking enough water. Shout out to FX Freedom. He's been really pushing the group and also sending people. So on Trading View, continue to see if this goes. There's a fair amount of confluences there. Makes sense. You've had the retracement, looking for continuation. Take profit probably could have been a bit higher, but that's just the way I trade. That was on the gold. JPY had a breakout onto downside potential wick fill. GJ actually melted over the weekend as well. Same idea twice, just looking for a breakout there, but this one's better because obviously you've broken out through the trend line. Only thing is the stop loss, the take profit is very, it looks ambitious from the chart you've sent me anyway. Maybe different on time frame. Gold sells here from Peter, same thing. TP, it's just the way I trade, right? I definitely would have told them take profit right there, because you're at major key zones of where you should be taking profits. I love this, which is what was sent by Anton, which we'll go through in a sec. Actually, we can go through now. So one of the main reasons why becoming a consistent profitable trader is so difficult is because there are many aspects that are counterintuitive, and what we feel like doing in the moment is the wrong decision in the rational standpoint. So instead of sticking to our rules, plans, systems and methodologies, which we've basically developed and put all the work into, and expected value and risk to reward, we often take actions based on cravings, impulses, desires. Instinctively, emotions are stronger drivers of behavior than logic and reason. So my takeaway from this is the fact is, I think what the hardest thing with trading is, it's really easy to make money, but it's also really, I think everyone seems to understand this a lot easier than everyone else. but they don't seem to make they don't seem to understand that losing money is also an abundance in trading. You can lose like as much as you can make. And I think that's the hardest thing to understand right now. And the fact is, you have to be trading on a daily basis, right? Like, the fact is, you can trade right now and force a trade, but that's not up to your setups and not to your plan. There are so many strategies that works, right? You can make any trade make sense. Like, I could just literally convince you that a buy here makes sense, a sell here makes sense, it's on the zone, moving averages, RSI, MACD, or I don't know, whatever, right? And there's loads of things that can really convince you to those. But you need to understand that we're only one person, and you can only really ultimately make X amount of decisions and focus on X amount of things at a time. So one good thing, one big thing is focusing on one strategy, is 1 or 2 pairs, 1 or 2 trades, and that's it. Like, if you can consistently do that over time, it's about the yearly process that you'd get paid and the time process that you'd get paid. So I think that's like a really good post. So it takes time to really understand that, and it is frustrating, you know, I get it. It fucking sucks sometimes, but also it feels fucking great when you're doing well and you finally made it. Signals as well. It's like analysis and signals group. I send my analysis, I send my breakdown and everything for you guys to learn and earn from. You can buy it for a yearly. So if you want to go check that out, go check that out. You can check that out on the website or on Telegram. The website has been updated, so you can go on there for resources and stuff, my videos, etc. So all of you can check all of that out. Any of you do funded accounts? Yes, we do. Yes, we do. And there's quite a few other people's doing it. If DXY falls and then everything goes up, it will be best to look for sales buy in a bear market. Yeah, I mean, GBP is just absolutely done for, and I expect DXY to be pushing higher from here. I love how you're drawing these structures from the phone. It just shows that you can see your structures quite clearly. Let's have a look. Do you know anything? How's everything? Everyone, scam alert, band hammer. Link please. We are live, and we're live tomorrow as well. We're live every day for the time being, and that's it. So I won't be able to stay on all day. Crypto portfolio is doing terrible. It's eating shit, but I'm still dollar cost averaging. Ironically, I'm still buying weekly. I'm still doing more and committing to more of my crypto for the longer term outlook. So let's go. AUD USD looking for positive, promising for a bullish impulse before pullback. Let's see. Yeah, I mean, GBP USD is looking like it could probably break that resistance. Euro USD looks lower. Let's have a look at AUD USD. AUD USD also looks like it could push higher. And DXY is on that slight pullback. So DXY could drop. Is uncertain really what DXY is going to do, because it looks like a pattern A onto the upside, but there is also on moving averages in the sell, and that's actually a setup I would have to sell that DXY. So I just have to see what GBP, what the market brings. That's pretty much it. I hope these streams are enjoyable, and make sure you smash the like button. It's definitely a new way of today. I don't know if you guys could let me know, do you like the new setup? We've got music. Obviously the setup of it is better. The only problem is the resolution quality isn't that great. I'm not really too sure how to increase it to 1080p. So actually, let me Google it quickly. So 1080p Stream Labs. Well, apparently you can stream this at 1080p. I don't know how. Where is it? What's the best bis rate? I'll have to check a little bit later. So, do you guys have any questions? Yeah, that's pretty much it. DAX has pulled all the way back. I hope you guys are enjoying the stream. Thank you for tuning in every day as well, especially the team. You and Brendan, appreciate it. Makes it less boring for me. Thank you, Hercules FX. Appreciate you guys. We'll be back again tomorrow. It's increasing now. We're getting we got 10 today. which is cool. We used to average, so 62 is the goal. 64, I think. 64, 62 is my number to get these streams, or the amount of people watching again. So if you guys can, all I want to do is if you can appreciate just by smashing that like button, commenting and stuffs. The more you do that, the better. And just spam that comment section, and then that helps with it. So if you guys don't mind, just write a Champ FX on the stream, and then I will see you all tomorrow. I think we're pretty much done. We'll be here for the last 5 minutes, and then that'll do. Yeah, a lot of things don't really make sense today. I'm feeling good. I lost, but I felt good. It's fucking weird, but I think that's a good thing, because then if I win, I'll feel even better. Gotta work on some marketing stuff today. Alright, so thanks everyone on YouTube. Drop a Champ FX, please. Smash the button. The more you spam, the better. I literally just spammed it. And I'll see you all tomorrow.